the number one thing which you need to do is you need to crack ROAS as a tool. So start explaining them the true ROI, not the ROAS.
Now from this US campaign, we received one sale, which is what Facebook is already showing. Now inside our tracking tool, if we go into the same campaign, Cloud Cowork, 22nd May, US, it is definitely attributed to 04 unlock, all right? And now there is one sale over here. So if I open this sale details, I can see the entire tracking history. I can see where it came from in the first place, all right? So look at the date over here. It's not 22nd May. The person didn't enter our funnel today. The person entered our funnel by clicking an ad, which you can see over here in the attribution. If I open this up, look at this. The tracked URL is having a meta ads campaign, which was of 15th May 2026. And inside our Facebook Ads Manager, if I go into this Cloud Cowork 01 header screenshot new, this was the ad which they had clicked. But they didn't buy this.
Because not all ads content converts. A lot of ad content will do brand building as well. And then they will want the product, they will come to Instagram, click on the bio link and sell it or buy it. Now that attribution will never go to your ad unless you track it through tripleware or high ROAS. You will be able to see that first click was this, last click is this.
On 20th May, once again, there is a campaign which they are going inside, or they are clicking an ad, which is Cloud Workshop 20th May 2026, which was this. They clicked JD Main 03 testimonial. 03 testimonial. This was the ad. Let's preview this. This is a video ad, video testimonial from the real attendees of the workshop or the previous workshop. So this was the ad which they once again clicked, and once again they didn't buy anything. And then after 2 minutes, once again they are clicking on an ad. Is the same ad. After 2 minutes they are clicking the same ad. Next on 22nd, still look at this. On 17th they click an ad, they don't buy anything. On 20th, once again they click on another ad, they don't buy anything. On 22nd, now at 5 or 6 in the morning, all right, look at this, 6 in the morning, they are clicking an ad, and this is Cloud Cowork 22nd May 01 desktop. 01 desktop, this is the ad. During the journey before the purchase, this is the third ad which they are watching, and again they didn't buy anything. And on the same day, today, in the evening, somewhere around 6:12, let's see which ad they clicked. They clicked 04 unlock, and that's where, look at this, the link changes. They go on the checkout page from that particular ad, and then finally they end up buying the product. That is the reason why 04 unlock is having this purchase attribution. Now, does that mean that this desktop ad didn't work for me? Or does that mean that two different ads from two different campaigns didn't work for me? No, not at all.
So you'll be able to see the entire customer journey in these kind of tools, not on Facebook Ads Manager. That's where you have to convince the client. See, Facebook ad kaam kar hi rahi hai. Facebook ads are working, but only if you consider the last click as a chef.
And this is the reason why we never rely on Facebook or Meta Ads Manager or Meta Ads dashboard reports. We always focus on detailed analytics like this, details, data touch point, and then we think of how an origin source was important and how the last source is important and what was the entire journey throughout, because a lot of ads don't act like the conversion ad. A lot of ads, they act like your branding ads. They act like your awareness ads. So you cannot stop those ads unnecessarily. But unless you don't track it like this and advanced levels, you won't be able to know what is converting and what is not converting, what to scale, what not to scale. You need these kind of detailed advanced tracking, and you need to send back all this data to your pixel, meta pixel, which is known as AI pixel optimization, which is where then it will optimize even more for more purchases, and then it goes in the infinite loop of you trying to scale the campaigns in the right way and a great way.